Hi viewers, Aman at Small Steps Trader channel. So first we will see gold. So gold is in clear uptrend since this month 6th on we can say. So if you see here on the downside the dates, so here on it is counted is in the upside only. But presently it is getting saturated when the momentum is getting diluted. You can see here. If you see the MACD, it was on the up until this. So from here the price has gone up, but MACD couldn't able that high. So it clearly shows that the momentum is getting reduced. So we have to be cautious here. So anybody took the entry here. So if you see here, this was in the downside, but here it's a upper side. The both the MACD and signal line. So it is like a divergence. So if because of this divergence, anybody took an entry at here somewhere here around 57 or 57,000 if anybody took here, because it's clearing yeah, clear signal as given. Even RSI crossed above 50. So many people take that above 50 RSI also take as a bullish side, and below 50 take as a bearish side. So here also it entering towards bullish zone. So based on that, if anybody took entry at here around 57,000, now it is almost 59,500. So around 3,500 rupees it has gone up. So we are seeing a mini contract. So with that perspective, it is a 35,000 is gone up from here. So this contract requires it's a huge capital, even though it is a mini contract. Look at huge capital of around 60-70,000 it is okay. So anybody could able to afford that. If at the same date, if anybody entered in the option contract, gold mini option contract at 57 call option, so that time it just a moment. Price something is wrong. So around here, if it's around 400 in this 400 in this sense, it is 4,000 rupees. So if anybody take the entry at here, the 4,000 it will be costed. So it has gone up to 2,000, almost 2,700. Presently it is 2,500 you can see. So now what is the cost this one? If you see 24,000. So the cost while entering it was 4,000. You will see it was 400 I said. So 400 in the sense it is 4,000 rupees. Now it is 24,700. So it was a very good profitability, and it is good time to unwind the position. So because the momentum is losing here in the future contract, the momentum is losing here. So it will be good to unwind or make a tight stop loss and maintain the contract. So what the global contract says, that we will see now. So global contract also, this is the global contract CFD. Is a 4 hours time period. So that also confirming the same thing. So it is entering out of the overbought zone, and the RSI is clearly showing that here. So this is the weekly chart. So weekly chart, if you see, it was clearly respecting all the days the channel. So now exactly at the channel resistance. So it might be the reason that it losing its momentum. So maybe it may go further bit more, and then if again it respects in the sense, the downtrend will starts. So this is about the gold. Now we will see silver. So gold and silver are almost the movement would be tandem. So both are in the similar movement it will be there. Similarly on the 6th it is around 67,000. Now it is 71,500. So it has gone to 72 also, almost 5,000 rupees it has gone. So this also a mini contract. So in that sense, 25,000 rupees for the contract value it is increased. So this requires around 50,000 of margin. So anybody couldn't be able to afford that. So at the same day, if anybody took the 67 call option, so it was around 2,500. In the sense around 12,500 rupees. So presently it is 5,000 close to 300. So what is the value? It is 25,800. So 12,500 exactly more than 100% return we can say, more than 100%. So it is in a good profitability if anybody took that contract. So this also time to unwind I will say, because it couldn't able to hire high, it couldn't able to make it's turning down. So from the overbought zone it has come down, so it losing the momentum. So what the global contract is, we will see that. So almost a similar pattern see in RSI also. So this is the weekly chart. So weekly chart it is clearly in the downtrend. So it is still in the channel only, but it couldn't be able to made a channel resistance like gold made a channel resistance, but it couldn't be able to made the channel resistance. So that respect we have to be we have to think. Maybe this as it is a weekly chart, maybe another 2 days are there, and maybe the next week it may reach. If it going upper side in this, definitely gold also have to go upper side. If gold on the resistance, so it wouldn't able upper side in the sense if gold turns, it also turns down. So that also we have to consider. So this is about global market. Now we will see crude oil. So the because we started only today, so we will take the last entry where it had happened. That way, from there on, we will track it now. So the last entry, it clearly entered in the bullish zone, MACD, and similarly RSI also above 50 it has crossed. So this is the place around 7,000. If anybody took entry at here, it has gone more than 7,350. That is 35,000. It has increased for the contract value. Now it is 7,250. So 250 or 25,000 the contract value has increased. So at the time of 7,000, if anybody took the entry at here, if you see the left side crude contract, it is around this place, around 3,600 3,000 sorry 360 or 350, around this place you can say that. So that in the sense it is 35,000 is the contract value at this point of time. Now it is at 439 in the sense 43,900. The contract value now it is 43,900 you can say. So it also in the profitable state only. So again it is it couldn't able to make a higher high. Similarly, if you see it losing the momentum in the RSI also. So it is the time to unwind the long contract or made a tight stop loss and ride it. So what the global contract says. So that also confirm the same. If you see the MCX contract, it clearly came down. See, it clearly came down, but in the global contract, the RSI it is in the sideways. It's saying showing that. Similarly, in the uh, if you see the MACD also, it looks like that. So maybe there are less chances it may go upside. So what the weekly chart says. So weekly chart says it entered in the bullish zone and it couldn't able to made a high here. See here also the same thing. So I don't think so. It will make a further big upside momentum move chances are very less. So this is about crude. Now we will see natural gas. So clearly in the downtrend. So from here on, see the MACD. If you see here, see the price. It has made a signal. It is going to the downside. So again, it close to once again it reached the all-time high, but in this level, but it couldn't be able to make that. So it clearly saying that it is a divergence. So price will fall. So if anybody took entry here in short entry at 290, it has gone till 290. The 290 here, it has come down to 255. Around 35 rupees it has come down. And now if you see after this sideways movement, so this zone, it looks that it may go in the higher side. So that was RSI also seeing the same. So anybody took a 290 put option, couldn't be able to afford that future contract. If anybody took entry and option contract at wait, I will change it to 290 put option. Then we will see. Yeah, so this is the place we are saying. See here, this is the place. So if anybody took the NTR at 15 rupees, now it is close to 35 rupees. See here. Now it is 42,000. If anybody took the entry of 15 rupees, what would be the price at the entry time? It is 18,750. But now it is 42,000. So more than 100% return it has given. So now it looks that it go in the upper side movement. That's why I keep the CE contact. So now we will keep to call option 260 and we'll track. So exactly at bottom, see here it couldn't be able to the lower test the lower here, but here it came down further because of it is the theta decay and the contract is very much close to the expiry. So that is the reason drastically the value is getting reduced. If you see the contract, the expiry is 24. So very close to the expiry. While the contract nearing that expiry, the theta decay will be very huge. So that also the reason it has come. So it is good to don't take any position here because the contract expiry is very much nearing. Theta decay will be very huge. So wait, once the next contract liquidity is mounted up, you can take it. Now we will say what is the next contract it shows. November contract. So there is very less liquidity. So at present it is not advisable to make any entry here. So after the expiry of the October contract, there will be a huge liquidity amounts here. Then we can look at it. So at present it is not advisable to make it in the call option contract. It is not advisable. Okay, what global contracts is that we will see now. See, it is turning. So after this fall, now it is sideways movement, but the MACD line crosses above the signal line, but still it is in the bearish zone. Below zero, it is a bearish zone. So those who have able to take the risk can make a entry now with the tight stop loss. Similarly, if you see the RSI couldn't able to make the oversold zone, but still it looks in the divergence line. It's in the upper side. If you see in the weekly chart, it is clearly saying that it moving towards the upper side. It preparing for the upper side movement. That's what it's saying. See, it clearly entering into zero and above zero, the bullish zone, and RSI also 50. So the subsequent is the natural gas would be move in the higher side. So that's what the global contract says right now. So with this we will close this video. We'll see in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.